a call on WhatsApp, okay, just for 30 seconds, not more than that. Okay?
No problem. No
Okay,
problem.
okay, fine, fine. Can you please take your time to explain about yourself and the projects which you have worked with so far, and what is your relevant experience into this talent ETL, and
Okay.
your main roles and responsibilities?
Yes, yes, yes. So I have total 5 years of experience, and I have worked as an ETL developer, and I have worked on different tools like Informatica as well as on Talent. And like on Talent, I have around 2 years of experience, and on Informatica, I have around 3 years of experience. So my current project is on Talent. So I'm working with Citi Bank right now, and my current project is finance related project. I can't say exactly finance, it is Tata Capital. It is they are giving loan. So we are having 36 store systems. These store systems are different kind of store systems, like some are Oracle, some are MySQL, some are SFTP files, SFTP server files, and some are FTP. And we are extracting data from these two systems and loading it into the Azure data lake. So they are created to blobs over there. One is raw data and another one is transient. So it is kind of a staging area. And in the raw data folder, we are storing the files in TXT format. And in transient, for some source system, there are files which are having zip files. So whatever data we are getting from sources, we are storing it as it is into the raw data folder. And in transient, we are storing it in the TXT format. And after that, we are doing some kind of transformations, like the requirements are from client side. So whatever requirements are from their side, so we are doing transformations on the data, and we are storing the data into the PostgreSQL. So we have created schemas for each and every source system, and there are a number of tables under those source system in those schemas. So the final target is PostgreSQL. So I have worked on DTDs as well. Then in audit, we have created an auditing framework, so I have worked on that as well. And in transform, from the extracting data from source systems and loading it into the Azure data lake. From there, from Azure data lake to Postgres also, I have involved in that process. Hello?
Yeah, okay. Is that all? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So
this is my overall project.
Okay, fine. That's good. Thank you. So your relevant experience into talent is 2 years. Am I correct?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Okay. And do you also have experience using talent? I mean, Talent Administration Center, TAC.
TAC, yes. In my current project, we are using TAC.
Okay.
And I have involved in creating execution plans.
Okay.
On production environment.
Okay. Good. Okay. I'm just going through your CV. So when you say like Azure Data Lake, so what is your landing directory there? Like, are you using S3? Do you have S3 repository?
No, I'm not aware actually, because we have only created the blobs over there, and there is a format of like year, month, and date, and we are storing data over there based on date, and inside that we have created folders for each and every source system, and we are storing date-wise data in this folder.
Okay. Can you please explain me about the recent job which you have developed in Talent? Like, just explain me about the framework. What are the components you have used, and how the flow was designed by you, and what was the requirement? Okay.
So while extracting data from source systems to load the data to the Azure data lake is the first phase. So in that, I have involved in the auditing framework as well. So there I have worked on different components, like CMAP is the main component in each and every transformations, like each and every transformations and each and every job. And apart from that, I have worked on a number of things like context creation, then context file creation, routines, then filing, then lookup. I have used lookup also using PLSQL. Then how we can pass context from current to child job, because in maintaining the auditing framework, I created two jobs, like two jobs, the main job. So we need to pass context to all the jobs. So I am involved in that scenario that we need to maintain the audit, like there are two tables we are maintaining. One is the job detail and another one is the job detail history. So for each and every run, we used to insert the data from a job detail table to the job detail history. So we are maintaining overall history in the job detail history table. And in the job detail, we are maintaining the current data of the job. So it's like that. And for from extracting data from Azure Data Lake and inserting it into the PostgreSQL. For that, we are also doing some kind of transformations, like the client want the date in particular format, like 3D and so for that I have used some parsers functions. And apart from that, cleaning of the string, like in some kind of string data, it is having a space at the beginning of the string or end of the string. So we are doing that kind of work over there.
Okay.
And yeah, so this kind of like flow to iterate to flow, file list, map.
Can you tell me the difference between iterate to flow and flow to iterate?
Yeah, so when we do the flow to iterate, it will like take data from the file list and it will iterate the data again and again. It will iterate to flow, it will iterate first and then it will pass the data to the next component.
Okay.
So apart from that, I have worked on routines. So while fetching data from HFTP or FTP server, we have created the routines. So in that, we are passing the connections for connecting to that particular HFTP or FTP server, and that from the source system, we are fetching data from those servers. So I have worked on routine part also.
So how can we call the user routines in Talend job?
Yeah, in Java component, we can call that routine.
Okay. Can you tell me the differences between TJava, TJava and TJava Flex components?
Yeah, sure. So these components can work as an individual component. Like we can use that component without any link. Like it can work as an individual component. It don't require any kind of input or output, we can say. But in TJava it will work as an intermediate component inside the job, and it will require input and output links. And it will work row-wise. But in the component, we can call our routines or any kind of Java code inside that component. And Java Flex, actually, it has three codes, like like beginning, main, and end. So start and end run once when we run that component, but the main can run like it will work like basically a kind of work it will do, and yeah, it will work something like a T Java Go, right? We need to insert that component inside the job, like in the flow. It will require input and output components.
Okay.
On these we can say.
Okay.
So I haven't worked on T Java Flex. I worked on T Java and T Java Row.
Okay.
So I'm more confident about these two components, but I know little bit about the T Java Flex.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me what are the different issues you have faced so far in working with ETL jobs?
So issues like actually this talent was new for me when I started working on the project, because previously I have worked on Informatica. So I was not aware about some kind of thing like there is an option inside the component that die on error. So I was not aware about that. So initially when I created the job, it got failed.